This National Realty Company property video is presented by Jeff Smith. Large 4-bedroom home located in the quiet community of Arabi, Georgia. The home features a covered front porch as well as a covered back porch. The home has a new air conditioner installed 10 to 2020 and a new stainless steel refrigerator and stove 7 to 2020. The home also has new carpet and painted recently. The property features a barn-style workshop with roll-up door and stairs, is good for game room / man cave or she shed, great for entertaining family and friends. Call today for a viewing. For more information, review the details below or contact Jeff Smith at 229-273-4132.